Ever wondered if there's more to your home than just four walls and a roof? Discover the shocking truth behind how your home's energy could be sabotaging your success. Are you ready to uncover the secrets of home frequencies tuning? Before we dive in, make sure to like, save, share, and subscribe so you don't miss out on our next big reveal. As you sit there, you might not realize the cosmic forces at play around you. But today, we're diving deep into the science of home frequencies tuning and how it links ancient wisdom with modern science. Let's talk about the four fundamental forces that shape our universe. Gravity pulls everything towards the center of the Earth, while electromagnetism keeps the atoms of your chair together. But what about the other two forces? We also have the strong nuclear force that holds atoms together and the weak nuclear force responsible for radioactive decay. These forces work behind the scenes, shaping everything in our universe. Ever wondered why planets are round? It's all thanks to gravity. But did you know this same force affects how energies flow in your home? Enter Fengshui's earthly branches system, a 5,000-year-old secret for harnessing cosmic energies. This is one of the Fengshui ancient practices that aligns your home's energy with the natural forces of the universe. By applying these ancient principles, you can transform your living space to enhance your health, wealth, and happiness. Here's a controversial thought. Could our neglect of these cosmic forces be the reason behind our everyday struggles? Are we focusing too much on superficial solutions? Ready to take action? Start by observing your home's natural energies. Adjust furniture, add natural elements, and align your space with Feng Shui principles for a harmonious living environment. Don't miss out on your chance to master home frequencies tuning. Click the link below for exclusive access to our Home Frequencies Tuning Yi Jing Qi Feng Shui program. Transform your home, transform your life. Like, subscribe, and share this video to stay updated on all things Feng Shui and more.